a group that maintains a myriad of unregulated chat rooms where adults posing as children can interact with minor children regarding sexual issues with no guardrails. This is a groomer's paradise. Chair and members, I'm a constitutional attorney and serve as the president of the National Center for Law and Policy. The opposition letter I submitted details how AB 727 violates the free speech of religious schools protected by the First Amendment and harms parental rights protected by the 14th Amendment. Your highest duty as legislators is to uphold the U.S. Constitution, which is the supreme law of the land. For more than 100 years, the U.S. Supreme Court has held that the 14th Amendment protects the fundamental right of parents to direct the care, education, and raising of their children. Children do not belong to the state. They belong to their families. This fundamental right of parents includes the right to inculcate religious beliefs and make health care decisions, including directing mental health care and counseling when their children are in distress. Parents are best situated to know, love, and care for their children. Neither the state nor the Trevor Project have the authority to circumvent, question, or undermine parental authority for minor children. The only exception is when parents are unfit, and the state may not assume that parents are unfit merely because they do not affirm the state's sexual orientation and gender identity ideologies. Yet AB 727 does precisely that. It assumes parents are the enemy of their child's best interest when experiencing gender identity confusion or same-sex attraction. Yet, as was recently held in the Mirabelli case cited in my letter, that is precisely when children need their parents the most. Yet AB 727 provides Trevor Project's contact information, separating children from their parents by allowing the struggling child to contact an organization with no government or parental oversight or accountability. A group that maintains a myriad of unregulated chat rooms where adults posing as children can interact with minor children regarding sexual issues with no guardrails. This is a groomer's paradise, and it violates parental rights and is unacceptable in a civilized society. Children don't need protection from their parents. They need protection from the Trevor Project and this bill. Thank you.